Hello friends, warm greetings from Eglavi Academy. Today we are going to see the next 5 important questions in higher education. Question 1. National policy on education was introduced in the year 1962, 1966, 1964, 1968. The right answer is 1968. Explanation for this question is based on the report and recommendation of Kothari Commission, the time period 1964 to 1966, the government of Prime Minister Indira Gandhi announced the first national policy on education in 1968, which called for a radical restructuring and equalize educational opportunities in order to achieve the national integration, greater cultural and economic development. The next question is Operation Blackboard program was introduced to improve teacher education, primary education, secondary education, higher education. The right answer is primary education. Explanation for this question is the scheme of Operation Blackboard was launched in the year 1987 in pursuance of NPE-POA to provide the minimum essential facilities to all primary schools in the country. Here, NPE-POA means National Policy on Education Program of Action. The next question is who is the chairman of National Educational Policy 2020? Acharya Ramamurthy, Sam Pitroda, Kasturi Rangan, TSR Subramanian. The correct answer is Kasturi Rangan. The next question is the new pedagogical structure of New Educational Policy 2020 is 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4, 3 plus 5 plus 3 plus 4, 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 2, 3 plus 4 plus 3 plus 5. The right answer is 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4. Explanation for this question is under the new system, the first 5 years would be the foundational stage, which means 3 years of pre-primary school followed by class 1 and class 2. After which would come the preparatory stage, which means classes 3, 4 and 5. Then the middle stage, the classes 6, 7 and 8. And then the secondary stage, classes 9, 10, 11 and 12. Then the next question is the major goal of New Educational Policy 2020 is to increase the gross enrollment ratio in higher education by 2035 from 25.3 to 50%, 24.3 to 48%, 26.3 to 50%, 25.3 to 48%. The right answer is 26.3 to 50%. Then the next question is according to New Educational Policy 2020, which of the following statements are true? Statement 1. High performing Indian universities will be encouraged to set up the campuses in other countries. Statement 2. Selected universities like those from among the top 100 universities in the world will be facilitated to operate in India. S1 only, S2 only, both S1 and S2, neither S1 nor S2. The right answer is both S1 and S2. Thank you friends. If you like my videos, please like, share and comment. If you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe it. For further updates, you can join in the Telegram group. The link for the Telegram group is provided in the video as well as in the description box. Kindly refer it. Thank you all.